Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. Really appreciate you guys as usual. Today guys, I will be doing another unboxing video for you guys. Today's video is a little bit of a different kind of video though. I got this product in the mail. It's from a company that's called QTlier, and it's an Apple 3-in-1 magnetic charger. So I'm gonna be unboxing this product a little bit with you guys, so you guys can see what it has to offer, and so I can also see what this product has to offer. I did struggle with the box a little bit to get it unwrapped. It was wrapped in this plastic, very tightly sealed, so you can be assured that this product is well protected. That's the first thing I noticed. I had to get my knife and dig into it to get access to the content inside the box. Looking at the box, it's pretty steady. You can keep this box to keep it in for future references if you want to just pack it away safely, or if you want to transport it. The box is pretty durable. That's the first thing I noticed. So let's go into this box and see what this product has to offer. Okay guys, so here you have it. Let's look and see what's going on. So that's all unwrapped guys, and this is what the product is looking like. Now if you're anything like me, I really like convenience, and having a single device to charge multiple phones, an Apple Watch, AirPods is super convenient. So if you're anything like me that don't like cards everywhere around your house, everywhere around your apartment, this product would be perfect for you. That's the first thing I would like to say. Now this is ideally for Apple devices, but it can charge different devices as well. Now I do have a camera, but I use my Apple phone most times to do my videos, including this video. So I will not be able to use a demonstration with my Apple phone, but I will use a different phone and see if it charges it. Okay, you have to plug in a Type-C USB, right? So you also get this in the box as well. So you get your USB cable, which is pretty long. It's a pretty long cable, which means that the reach is awesome. And you get your adapter as well that you plug into your socket, and then you just give that a plug in, and then let's see if it works for us. So this is what the product is looking like guys. This is what it looks like after everything is all set up. This part right here is magnetic. This part right here is also magnetic, but it is designed for your smartwatch, Apple Watch, etc. And this part is for your Apple AirPods. So it's a 3-in-1 charging station, which is very cool. But the thing is, even though it's an Apple 3-in-1 charger, it's not only designed for Apple devices. So if you have any other devices, this is also going to be able to charge it. And this part is magnetic. You're going to be able to just stick a phone right here and that charges. Right here is not magnetic, but you can charge another phone or another AirPod right there. And this part right here, you can pop on your Samsung watch or your Apple Watch or any other smart device watch that you have. Now here, I have a Samsung phone that I'm gonna check this with, just because I'm using my Apple device to actually film this video, right? So let's go and see if it charges the competition phone as well. Fantastic. Oh, I don't want you guys to read the messages. But there you go, you guys can see that this phone is actually charging right now. There's space for one more phone right here, and also for a smartwatch right. The link to this device will be underneath the video description guys. Click on the link and it takes you directly to the product. Now personally speaking, I have a lot of gadgets that I try because of course we do a YouTube channel, so we're gonna have a lot of devices, and this is one of the better ones that I find that it's very heavy enough for just to be stable in one location, and instead of having multiple charging cards and stuff all over your apartment, all over your house, this makes it super convenient. You can charge everything in a single station, and this is magnetic, so you don't have to worry about multiple cards. So definitely check it out guys. I highly recommend this product. I highly recommend this product. You can check it out in the video description right down below. All right guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.